Thank you for joining me today on Christine's Awesome Things. My name is Christine. Hello. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a vanilla cake laced with a strawberry peach glaze. Check out my other videos at the end. I'm sure if you look around, you'll find some videos that you like. Make sure to like and subscribe. Support me if you can. It's greatly appreciated. And if you have any comments or anything, I will look at them, and have any questions, I'm definitely want to answer them. This video is going to show you how to make a cake. What I'm doing is, when you see this video, I actually cut my recipe in half, but in the description box you'll find the full recipe, and the full recipe, it actually is enough to make 3 round cakes. So you will actually have 6-layer cake. Once you split it in half, you'll have 6 parts, which would stack the cake a little higher. In my video, I did half the recipe, so if you just want it smaller, you could do that. Or if you want to do the full size cake, the description is in the box. So let's get started. Alright, to get started, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you want to have 2 9-inch round cake pans. You're going to spray the cake pan with non-stick cooking spray, then line it with parchment or wax paper, and then spray the wax paper with non-stick cooking spray. For your mix, you're going to mix your flour, your salt, your baking powder, your baking soda, and you just mix that together. And I am using cake flour. Next, you're going to cream your butter and sugar together on high. Once you're done creaming your butter and sugar, you're going to add your eggs, your milk, and vanilla. And you're going to mix that in. And after it's mixed well, you're going to gradually add your flour. When you're mixing your butter and sugar and you add your eggs, milk, and vanilla, make sure that you beat it to a creamy, smooth consistency before adding your flour mixture. Once you've added your flour mixture and you beat it to a creamy consistency, add it to your round parchment lined cake pans in even amounts. It almost looks like whipped cream. Once you have your cake mixture into your pan evenly and it's spread out, you're going to put it in your preheated 350 degree oven. And you're going to bake this for about 20 minutes. While our cake is in the oven, we're going to work on our frosting. You're going to beat your butter and vanilla together until it's nice and smooth. Once your butter and vanilla has been beaten to a creamy, fluffy consistency, you're going to add your powdered sugar and your strawberry peach glaze to this mix. Once your cakes are out of the oven, you're going to allow them to cool, and then you're going to cut them with a sharp knife or a bread-like knife crossways. Once you cut them crossways, you're going to place it on the bottom like so. Add you some of the strawberry peach vanilla glaze filling. And if you want to know how to make this glaze, check out the video right up above you. That little black box up there. Click it on and it'll take you straight to how to make strawberry jam, and also has instructions on how to make the strawberry peach jam. After you put the glaze on, flip this face down, add it on top. Then you're going to add your strawberry peach buttercream frosting. To the top. Face up is your next one. And some more of your strawberry peach glazed filling. And then top it with the rest of your frosting. And making sure that you get it all on the sides. Now this is a tricky cake to frost because you kind of want to make sure that everything is the way it's supposed to be in terms of how it's positioned, so it's not too crooked. And if you can't get that right, that's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my time and get this all glazed right the way I'm supposed to. And I'll be back to show you how it looks once it's frosted and cleaned up and straightened up. So my cake is all finished. I made sure that I leveled it to be as even as possible. Made sure the frosting on top was kind of thick and on the sides, and did a little decoration on here. Put some strawberries on there. You could put some peach slices on there, whatever you like. Try this recipe. Let me know what you think and leave a comment below. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments and I will definitely reply. This has been Christine of Christine's Awesome Things.